Welcome to episode number 55. It's been an amazing journey till date, and sharing each and every details makes me feel great. So, moving ahead, you have already seen the progress in this area. Today, the work happening here is in the dining area and master bedroom and kids bedroom. So, this is what I'm showing you is the flooring bed which we have kept for setting. Uh, we had actually installed a roofing shade above the dining room's window, so the grouting work, I mean not the grouting but the cement filling work is in process. So we have used metallic sheets by metallic profile sheets by Jindal, and the structure is being supported by firm MS framework. The tiling of the vanity area is going on. So in the vanity area, I am going for an L-shaped tiling. So I'll be sharing the details very soon. In this bedroom, we have completed the flooring and the skirting. The terrace flooring is still left. I am sealing the joints with abro tape so that we can cover and keep it. This window framing is also being completed. Now we are moving ahead to the common bedroom or the kids bedroom. So in the common bedroom, today we have almost completed the fall ceiling work of the common bedroom, and this is the wall leveling dots for wall punning. So we are scraping off the old paint. We go till the plaster level, and at in regular intervals you find the leveling dots. So we will be following that as a benchmark to level the walls. So thank you so much guys for all your support. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.